Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to create this part together. Let's open a new part, but maybe what's the good idea? Firstly closing this part, because there is a lot of surfaces and can drain our system resources a lot. On the front plane we are going to create a sketch, and here I place a rectangle, place control, I place pick my origin, and I'm saying midpoint while control is pressed. Then later on, select everything and convert into a construction geometry. And then placing here an arc. We have a 190mm height. Here we have 75. And here we have a 190. Everything black. That means fully defined. Then we can go to the next step. Surfaces. Revolve surface. This is axis. Mid plane. And we are going to create an 8 degree revolve. Then top plane, we are going to split our surface. Now we can create our another sketch. We look from right plane. Here we create a sketch. Maybe what's good, firstly creating a construction geometry line where we can place our circles. First will be in the center, and then here we have a tangency, another here, tangency, another here, again a tangency. You just bring next to circle, tangency will be defined, and then we press our control and make a tangent, circle, edge, tangent. We will repeatedly follow this process for this part. Yes, tangent. For this one also tangent. We continue. We are going to create also here tangency. Control pressed and two objects selected, and then our relations menu will open, and then we add our relations, tangent. Everything okay. Let's try to get first split, but we cannot make a split with this all. Oh, we did. That's good. Because when the two line touching each other, sometimes it is giving an error. And what we are going to do now, making an offset and deleting unnecessary part. This part will go, and I need these surfaces. Reselect one and then making a space and then continue, because all of them will be new bodies, and if they are all touching each other, program going to give an error. Here I gave color to understand what I have been selecting. These ones, yes, and this is main surface, and now we can hide it. Everything here, guys. We are going to create Thicken now. One time we can select, and again we just enter, press enter, plus command opens again, enter, plus command opens. We are repeating. Yes, that's good. Now we are going to make shell. Amount of wall thickness is 2. For each object we are going to repeat this process. Shell, select to surface and enter. If you click enter, plus command comes. We continue. and here we are going to remove that part also. We need a move face command. We are going to make an offset outside, which will be 0.5 millimeter. Select everything, repeat again, select everything, offset active, and we just select surface. We are not doing very interesting, highly skill required command here. That's why I'm a little bit speeding up. Also, people not watching videos fully, that's not good for my channel. And I would like your comments, guys, if you can. It will be very much appreciated. Now we have this group of surface, and we can combine these parts. This is good. And what we are going to do now, creating radiuses. Radius 1. We can select in this way, but these guys are not good. Where are they? These we will not select. Yes, we remove them. Only the middle parts will be selected. Radius 1 is good. And what we are going to do now, creating an axis, origin on top plane and top plane selected, and we click to axis, and then we get this right one circular pattern, axis active. We are going to create an instance, angle 8, and instances, number of instances 2, and direction 2 will be active, and we there create a symmetry. We have this, and we can combine all of them, but I forget one thing, sorry. We are going a little bit back, which will be this one. Yeah, fillet, selecting surface, and also here creating a fillet will be nice. And here, take care, you select this 2 edge instead of internal surface, then this also will be radiused. That we don't want. And we can active all commands, later commands, which I done. And then we have here a tree group, and this view display state will help your program to work better way and faster. Now we are going to make a mirror. Merge solids will be active, and program for me going to merge this 2 body, and then we are going to create last pattern, circular pattern, instance equals spacing 350, 15. If you divide 360 to 8 degree, you are going to get 45, but we have already 3 instances, and then we divide again to 3, and then we get at the end 15 instances. If you are modeling your all kind of things before you copy, it will be easier, because there will be crazy amount of surfaces after you are going to have a really big problem to select each faces, etc. will be taking a lot of time. Also, in earlier phases, combining this kind of instances are better for not having later creating a one solid body. And it takes some time for my program, for my computer. Maybe I can here stop for a while. But it generated, I don't need to stop. It's good. Here we are missing one operation now, and then you should combine again. this 15 independent body, and we have here, you will see, if you change display states, triple bodies will be combined, but the rest of instances not combined. Better you combine them, and then you are sure you will not have any problem. Yes, last operation, combining. It will take a bit time, but let's finalize it. We go solid bodies under mirror and circular pattern at the end, and I do say combine. Yes, and I'm stopping video. Then later we will. I am back, guys. It took me a while to complete operation. Also, whole combining operation failed, and I needed to divide in 3 parts, like making 5 of instances combined, and then the other 5, another 5, and then combine all of them again. Yeah. Now we are at the end of our video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do make comment and hit the like button. See you in another video.